Hi everyone, it is the middle of October. Can you believe it? A few more weeks and then we get to go and collect free candy. It's one of my husband's favorite holidays is Halloween. So in honor of Halloween, you have a special assignment, and that is listed in number 5 down here is the zombie character. It won't be due until Friday, October 30th, but I wanted to give you enough advance notice. What you're going to be doing is creating a spooky character of your choice, but they have to have something from the integumentary system, so at least skin or hair, something from the muscular system, so muscles, and something from the skeletal system, so bone. And this week we're learning about the cardiovascular system, so they have to have the heart. So you can make them as cute, creepy, gory, gross, funny as you want, but they have to have those 4 things or something representing each one of the systems we have learned so far. So I want you to draw it and then upload it, and then you're also going to be writing a short story of the diseases or ailments that this spooky character has, and maybe that's what caused them to die, or that's what they have now, but you can make it as funny or as serious or as gory as you like. It's meant to be creative, but to also demonstrate the information that you know. So this week specifically, we have a summative exam on either Monday or Tuesday, depending what day you have class. We'll be taking that test during your regular class period. And that summative exam is over chapters 3 and 4. This week, after that test, go ahead and start watching Chapter 5, the cardiovascular system lectures that I have created, and also the introductory video from Crash Course. Please do that before the second class that we meet, so whether that's Wednesday or Thursday for you. And during Wednesday and Thursday's class, we'll be working on flashcards and your review worksheet. You also have a weekly quiz. Take that quiz as many times as you can until you get the grade you want. And like I said, number 5, a fun project that will be due October 30th.